The 3 rules of burning belly fat fast. Belly fat is one of the most abhorred types of body fat, as one of the most dangerous types in regard to our health, particularly as thick waistlines have been linked to a variety of diseases from heart disease to diabetes. Belly fat is also one of the most unsightly types of fat, and people everywhere are looking for ways to obliterate their stomach weight once and for all. To burn belly fat fast, click the link in the description of the video. One of the main reasons for gaining belly fat is a spike in cortisol levels, which is caused by stress. Cortisol is responsible for destroying lean muscle, which just happens to be the type of tissue that helps to burn calories the best. Cortisol is also responsible for encouraging the body to hold onto body fat in the abdominal region. The issue becomes even more difficult when we consider that dieting can actually increase stress levels, thereby increasing cortisol and making it extremely difficult to lose belly fat even when exercising and reducing calories. It's a frustrating cycle, but while belly fat can be stubborn and tough to lose, it's definitely possible to slim down your waistline fast and improve the look of your midsection quickly and easily by following these 3 effective tips. Get adequate sleep. Getting enough sleep is vital for losing belly fat. Not only does a lack of sleep disrupt your body's natural rhythms, but being exhausted also triggers the release of the hormone ghrelin, which leads to sugar cravings as well as a desire for a wide range of other fatty foods. Sleep loss also increases cortisol levels that in turn stimulate insulin, creating more fat. So if you're truly committed to losing that unsightly body fat, be sure to get enough sleep. Cut out the sugar. In order to fight belly fat, it's essential to maintain a healthy diet and develop good eating habits. From protein and veggies to whole grains, there are a variety of healthy foods out there that will help you slim down, and it's essential to replace your poor snacking habits with good ones. Cutting out sugar is vital, and there are a variety of options for replacing sugar with healthful substitutes, for example, cinnamon, which has been shown to stabilize blood sugar. Exercise. While exercise is extremely important to the process of losing belly fat, many people believe that exercising frequently will help you lose fat. While exercise is vital for building lean muscle, which in turn burns calories, no matter how hard your abdominal muscles are, if they have a layer of fat on them, you'll have the appearance of belly fat. When exercising, remember to include cardiovascular exercise with strength training in order to achieve the greatest balance, and you'll see fantastic results. There are a variety of ways to cut down on dangerous and unsightly belly fat while getting slim and trim all over, but the main object in any weight or fat loss campaign should be to keep stress under control to eliminate any peaks in cortisol. By getting enough sleep, maintaining a healthy, sugar-free diet and combining strength training with cardiovascular exercise, you'll strike a balance that will allow you to lose fat and gain lean muscle in a short period of time. To burn belly fat fast, click the link in the description of the video.